Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Mike from Mike's Rambles. Today we are going to be reviewing this little tripod kit I've got off Temu, less than a tenner. Ideal if you're starting up on a new channel and you don't want to spend out a lot of money. So we've got the handle, so you can use it handheld like that, or you can bring out little legs like that. So that would stand on there. Then your next bit is, that's where your phone goes. So we would put it on there like so. Push those two in, that'll adjust up and down like that. Then you've got a light kit, takes AAA batteries, go in there. That there just slides on there. And that bit's done up like that. Or if you're in a bright area and you don't really need the light, what you could do with the sound, obviously got your microphone, slides in the same place, does it like that. Obviously phone would go in there. If you want to use it handheld, pick it up, and goes in like that, job done. So that is ideal if you want to start up on a YouTube channel, you want to spend up lots of money. And obviously I'll be doing videos in the future with this equipment, so obviously I'll let you know how I get on with it. But if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment on the video if you liked it. And I'll leave a link in the description below for this off Temu. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon in the next video. Bye bye.